Meet Mark Wahlberg, and today we're breaking down what his diet really looks like. Mark Wahlberg starts the day at 7 by taking vitamins, a dissolvable zinc tablet, and then a triple espresso. The coffee is followed by a dip in a pool kept near freezing. When he steps out, he mixes creatine plus branched-chain amino acids into water and drinks while he trains. 45 minutes after the last set, he sits down to eat breakfast. 5 eggs, 2 hard-boiled, 3 scrambled, a pork chop seasoned with salt and pepper, plain Greek yogurt topped with berries, and a green juice that contains moringa. At 11 o'clock, he eats again, chicken breast as well as a thigh, a sweet potato, steamed broccoli, a small bowl of mixed berries, and a handful of pistachios with almonds. At 2, he has sashimi crab salad with cucumber or a few extra slices of chicken breast. Dinner is steak, sea bass, or halibut plus vegetables, all prepared with minimal oil and no heavy sauces. His philosophy has changed a lot. If Mark had listened earlier instead of thinking he knew everything, the results would have come sooner. It's tough that it took until age 52 to figure it out. Now, Mark trains smart. Upper body, lower body, 3 days on, 1 day off, 2 days on, 1 day off. Rest and recovery now get just as much attention as intensity and time under tension. Eating right and training properly has become routine for Mark. If this helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more real training and nutrition insights that actually work.